In this video, I'll show you how to estimate items that will be purchased in a different currency, while making sure they are included in your job budget using your local currency. I'm going to start from the BOQ estimate widget and edit a BOQ item. We will assume this item is being purchased in the USA and this builder is in Australia. This means we are converting from US dollars to Australian dollars. BOQ items can include the estimated landed cost, but we recommend you keep these costs on a different BOQ item. Watch the video on managing transfers and consignments to understand more about landed costs. In the BOQ item logic field, this item has been set up as an overseas product. This means it's being purchased in a different currency. This would display 3 new fields under the overseas product details section. The estimated cost is how much these materials will cost you in the supplier's own currency. This cost is per quantity. You can then select the supplier currency. This currency will automatically populate the exchange rate from your organizational settings. Watch the video on setting up currencies for more information. Using this exchange rate, the unit cost is automatically calculated in your local currency, along with the markup and unit price. As the unit price is in your own currency, this means your proposal to the customer is using this value. When you raise the purchase order, this will use the supplier's currency. We are going to assume that this proposal has now been accepted and we are ready to raise our purchase order. Let's go to the purchase pipeline. I have already filtered by the US supplier. Here you can see the item I need to purchase. This customer requires 2 of these items, for nothing has been ordered to date. Select the item and click on Open Purchasing. Here you can see the item selected, which displays the local currency and the supplier's currency values. You can change the supplier as this stage of the process, and the currency will automatically be updated based on the supplier selected. Proceed to step 2. The item values originate from the BOQ item used in the estimate, which is transferred to the contract item after the proposal is approved. If your item is linked to the correct product and your product pricing is up to date, you can untick this box to fetch the latest supplier cost. You can also manually adjust the cost if the value has changed since you created the estimate. The budget widget will help you track your estimated versus actual costs. If you're purchasing from overseas, you may also have landed costs that will be added to the budget. If the product shown here is not the correct product to purchase, you will need to create the product now to track the delivery and inventory status. It's important to ensure the materials are allocated and delivered to the job site, as well as calculating the cost of goods sold on material items. Click on the X to remove the product and start typing the correct product name. If the product is not in your database, it will prompt you to add a new product. Click on this and proceed to complete the fields. Once you have updated the fields, click on Create Product. The product name has now been updated and you are ready to proceed. To learn more about tabs 3, 4, and 5, watch the purchase orders video. Let's now open the purchase order. Here you can see the items have been purchased in the supplier's currency, but you can also see the values in your local currency. Now if we switch to the budget widget, you can see the purchase order is displayed in your local currency, making it easy to see your estimated versus actual values.